You'd like to improve your English fluency, wouldn't you? Of course you would. Well, the way to do it is to start concentrating on lexical chunks. Lexical chunks, blocks of language, are how we learn our own language. As a child, we don't learn grammar until later on. We learn these chunks of language. And what lexical chunks are, things like collocations, phrasal verbs, idioms, and fixed expressions. Hold on, aren't idioms fixed expressions? Well, yes, they are. But what I mean by fixed expressions, other fixed expressions, are words that often go together. Things like as a matter of fact, by the way. And they're important in linking conversation. Because it's all very well knowing grammar, but unless you sound natural, then you're going to sound stilted unless you can use these blocks of language. So this is the first in a series of about 300 lexical chunks, which should set you well on your way to fluency. So make sure that you subscribe so you can follow the future videos, and let's make a start. See you later. Lexical chunks. This first group consists of common fixed expressions, collocations, and idioms, beginning with A. A bit of a small amount or degree. It's a bit of a shame you feel so poorly and have to miss the party. It's a bit of a chilly day for a walk. A cock-up. A mistake or blunder. This is very common. He made a real cock-up of that presentation. He forgot his words. He's made a bit of a cock-up on his first day in his new job. Oh dear, that's not a good start. A drag. Something boring or tedious. Housework is such a drag. Don't you agree? A fair point. A reasonable or justifiable argument or statement. I have to admit, that's a fair point you made. A lack of common sense, not having practical or sensible judgment. He drives dangerously. He shows a lack of common sense when he's at the wheel. I think we all know someone like that, don't we? A load of nonsense. A statement or idea that is not true. Absurd. Her explanation was just a load of nonsense. A matter of opinion. Something subjective that different people may see differently. Whether pineapple belongs on pizza is a matter of opinion. Yes, well, this matter of opinion causes great arguments in the UK. I don't think pineapple belongs on pizza. matter of time, inevitable and will happen eventually. It was only a matter of time before he found out that she was having an affair. That's a sad example, but we use it in more positive circumstances too. It's only a matter of time before you're fluent in English. A must. This is another common one. Something essential or necessary. Having a smartphone is a must these days. Can you think of things which are a must? A no-win situation. A situation in which success is impossible. Trying to please both sides is a no-win situation. Can you think of no-win situations? A step in the right direction. Progress towards a positive outcome. Implementing renewable energy sources is a step in the right direction for the environment. I think we can all agree with that. Certainly these kids can. A tricky situation, a difficult or complicated circumstance. Getting out of debt can be a tricky situation. We all find ourselves in tricky situations at times. A veiled threat, a subtle or indirect threat. His comment about consequences was a veiled threat. It doesn't seem very veiled in this circumstance. Very angry. About time. Long overdue. Should have happened earlier. It's about time we got a new computer. I think she's rather frustrated, to say the least. We use about time a lot. Add fuel to the fire. Worsen a situation that is already problematic. Bringing up past arguments will only add fuel to the fire. I don't think she's very happy. Ahead of schedule. Occurring or completed before the planned time. The project is ahead of schedule, thanks to the efficient team. It's great when that happens. Ahead of the curve. To be more advanced or innovative than others. The company's technology is ahead of the curve in the industry. This is a business idiom, and like a lot of idioms, you won't find it so much used in common speech, but it's worth knowing. Alarming rate, extremely fast or concerning speed. The virus is spreading at an alarming rate. Well, we all remember that, don't we? You'll hear alarming rate a lot on news broadcasts. cost of living can increase at an alarming rate, so can inflation. All bark, no bite. Someone who talks tough but doesn't act on it. He's all bark, no bite. He's all talk. He throws his weight around, but he won't do anything. Of course, the origin is a dog who barks a lot. Looks very fierce, but doesn't bite. All dressed up and nowhere to go. Prepared for action or to go somewhere, but not able to do so. She's all dressed up and nowhere to go, as the party was cancelled. It's a bit sad. Hi again. I hope you got some value out of that video and found it useful. Remember to subscribe so that you see the other videos in the series, and good luck with your learning. You'll be speaking fluently soon. Bye for now. To really improve your fluency, why not join our Chatterbox Zoom workshops? They're held 3 times per week. We practice speaking, learn idioms, conversation fluency. They really are the way to go if you want to improve your fluency. I hope to see you there.